I think when I can feel the breeze and see the water, that you need to see it too. Let's take a full look at this house right here in St. Joe Beach. It's in the Seashores community, and if you don't know what Seashores is, it's really an eclectic mix of actually nice homes that are tucked up right next to Gulf Air down here, and you have beach access really close by. But as you meander up here through this path, you get a little bit of a front porch going on here where you could definitely put some Adirondack chairs, make it super cute. But you get to walk into a big open dining living room concept where the owners that own this said that they've had their kids here. This is their beach house. They don't rent it out, but they have created a lot of memories. And they took the dining room table out because the kids, because you could put one right over here if you wanted to. And they said they moved it so they would have lots of room to run around. So they've made it their own, and I'm going to show you all the rooms so you can figure out how you want to make it your own. So let's take a look at the guest rooms first, and then we'll spin around, take a look at the kitchen, and then they have an entire split bedroom plan, and we'll look at the primary bedroom last. First guest room, as you come off of the living room to the right, so this is going to be in the front of the house. Just kind of a traditional hallway where you've got a linen closet, you have a 3-piece bathroom. You have your second guest room here that overlooks the backyard. It's got a nice bright sunny window, and the backyard has a lot of space in it. So we'll take you back there and show you what that looks like. You've got a double closet here. Again, you've got not only a linen closet, but you've got another closet right here. So you've got 2 closets just right here in this hallway, which make great storage. And again, you could do a whole dining room situation here if you wanted, but they chose to just make it extra space so they can run around. And we're in the kitchen, which is, you know, kind of open on both ends, which is kind of nice sometimes when you're preparing food, but you've got lots of counter space in here. So I think that's what you pay attention to in this kitchen is all of these cabinets and all of this counter space. Really a lot of room in here. All right, come with me and we'll head down to the other side of the house where we've got an AC closet here. They have a Nest, air conditioning. You've got nice storage right here, double closets for that. You do get a full laundry room and another closet. I mean, there really are closets in this, and a whole nother storage area. So if you wanted to rent the house, you could literally make that that would be a good owner's closet. Here is the 2-car garage where you can see they're storing their golf cart, which, you know, if you don't know about this area, you can golf cart everywhere. You can golf cart to Mexico Beach. You can golf cart in Mexico Beach to the other side of the road. So you've got options for getting around everywhere you want to go in the golf cart, to dinner, to breakfast, to all the things. But now we're in the primary. Look at this space. I mean, you've got plenty of room if you wanted to do a big king-size bed in here. Again, a nice bright window that overlooks the backyard, a walk-in closet. Let's take a look. They went all peach in this bathroom, but you've got a large vanity area, a soaker tub, another linen closet, a stand-up shower. So you've got a lot going on in here and a lot of room. So I think that the one thing in this house that's important is we're right here at the beach, and you've got all this space for everybody to spread out. Let's go take a look at the backyard. They've got a little screened-in porch back here. They also have a place for you to be able to park your lawnmower, your bicycles, or any kind of extra things that you might want to lock up. They've got gutters on this house. There's just a ton of room. If you were thinking maybe you want to drop a pool in the yard, you really have tons of space back here that you could really make this into an oasis. Plenty of room to park a boat, plenty of room for the pool, all the things. So these privacy fences are part of the properties that are behind us, but it'd be easy to fence the yard as well. So if you've got some furry pets, the beaches are all pet friendly right out in the front. You can throw them in the golf cart and drive them down to the beach and make a great day of it. But if you have pets, this would be a good yard for your pets. So we also have a little covered area that is attached to this storage area. Let me show you this real quick. They have their lawnmower underneath here. But you could even extend this and park a boat up underneath there if you wanted to. You've got room on the side yard to come in with a boat. There's options. If this looks like something that you might be interested in, comment Live the Beach Life below. We'll send you all the details. Share it with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.